Hello everybody, let's do our good morning song. Are we ready? Great. Good morning, good morning, good morning, how are you? I'm fine, I'm fine, I'm fine, how are you? Hello, how are you? Hello, how are you? Hello, how are you? How are you today? How are you today, Rory? Great. How are you today, Alicia? How are you today, Joseph? How are you today, Annabelle? How are you today, William? How are you today, Alice? How are you today, Ramus? How are you today, Juliet? How are you today, Simon? Great, let's read our book. Today we're going to read I Want to Be a Firefighter by Edith Kuntart. My name is Holly. I'm at the firehouse. This is my dad. He is a volunteer firefighter. That means he isn't a firefighter all the time. He works at another job. When there is a fire, he leaves his job and rushes to put the fire out. I want to be a firefighter too. Look, Daddy's bringing out the truck. My mom and my little sisters, Lisa and Emily, watch. The engine makes a big noise. We all get a little scared. Dad turns off the engine and puts on the brakes. We climb onto the truck. This is a pumper truck. It carries many coiled up hoses and pumps water onto the fire. The hoses attached to shiny valves. Dad wears a radio on his belt so he can hear if there is a fire wherever he is. Dad shows me a pike pole, an axe, and a pry bar. These tools help firefighters get inside a burning house or car. Dad carries his turnout gear in his truck. His boots, coat, and helmet are in a red bag inside a box. Extra turnout uniforms are kept on the fire truck. Dad tries on his turnout uniform. Then Lisa and I try it on. It doesn't quite fit. At home, we practice what to do if there's a fire. We crawl on the floor where the smoke is less thick. We feel the door to see if it is hot. If it is hot, we don't go out the door because there might be fire on the other side. We escape out a window. Thank goodness this window is on the first floor. We decide ahead of time where to meet outside the house. Our family meeting place is under a tree. One night, a voice on Daddy's radio says, "There's a fire." A voice tells Daddy where the fire is. Daddy gets the keys to his truck and runs out the door. He drives straight to the fire. At the same time, other volunteer firefighters leave their homes and jobs. They rush to the firehouse. They jump into a fire truck and drive to the fire. The fire is in a store. Daddy puts on his turncoat uniform. He helps other firefighter put on an oxygen tank. With the tank and a mask, the firefighter will be able to breathe if he goes into the store. Firefighters attach hoses to the pumper truck. They spray water onto the fire. Here you can see they're spraying here and they're moving the hose around. Fire is out. No one is hurt. There was no one in the store. Dad coils up a hose. Firefighters put their equipment in a truck. There's a truck with all the gear. They drive back to the firehouse. Good night, they say. They're tired. They've done a good job. The next morning we have breakfast. Dad gets up late. When he joins us at the breakfast table, he tells us all about the fire. He shows us how the flames shot up in the air. My dad is brave. After breakfast, Lisa and Emily and I go out to play. Can you guess what we play? They're firefighters in a fire truck. I want to be a firefighter. The end. All right, we're gonna sing a song. Let's sing Wheels on the Bus. Wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all over town. The doors on the bus go open and shut, open and shut, open and shut. The doors on the bus go open and shut, all over town. The money on the bus goes clink, 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 clink. The money on the bus goes clink, 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 all over town. The driver on the bus says, move it on back, move it on back, move on back. Driver on the bus says, move it on back, all over town. The babies on the bus go, wah, 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 wah. The babies on the bus go, wah, 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 all over town. The people on the bus go, shh, 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 shh. People on the bus go, shh, 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 all over town. The mommies and daddies say, I love you, I love you, I love you. The mommies and daddies say, I love you, all over town. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 beep. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 all over town. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 all over town. Okay, guys, it's time for me to go. So let's sing our goodbye song. Goodbye, Rory. Goodbye, Alicia. Goodbye, Joseph. It's time for me to go. Goodbye, Annabelle. Goodbye, William. Goodbye, Alice. It's time for me to go. Goodbye, Remus. Goodbye, Juliet. Goodbye, Simon. It's time for me to go. Goodbye, guys. See you again soon.